She's saying that Apollo Hospital is a marvelous hospital. Dr. Kuldeep, all the services, all the team, nurses are very patient. They have helped her son very well. He is doing the activities that he won't be able to do before.
Olá, o meu nome é Chafim. Sou um menino que sofreu um acidente em 2021. Em Moçambique não conseguiam fazer o tratamento que eu precisava. Então cheguei aqui na Índia, graças ao Dr. Kuldeep e ao Apollo Hospital.
Shafim is a 16-year-old boy who was electrocuted at the age of 14, 2 years ago. And because of that, he came to us with deformities of both elbows and with both wrist deformities. He could not use his upper limbs. So we offered him treatment in stages. First, we straightened both his elbows, did skin grafting, made them straight, sent him home for 6 months. And after that, he came and he still had paralysis of both the hands, so they would not come up. And we needed to get movement in the thumb to go back, the wrist to go back, and the fingers to go back, so that he could use it for effective work. And we did tendon transfers on the right hand first, and that was about 8 months ago. We had a good outcome. He came after 6 months, and now we have done the left hand. So this young boy will soon be a very productive, useful member of society. He will be able to do as he wishes, as creative as he gets, and a bright future as an adult.
Eu consegui melhorar. Eu era dependente em tudo, não conseguia fazer nada. Mas agora eu já consigo fazer minhas coisas sozinho. Mais uma vez agradecer ao Dr. Kuldeep pela experiência e muito obrigado.